What if I told you that there's a new AI tool so powerful, it can create 16-second movie-quality videos just from a simple text description, and even add lifelike sound effects, all in one click? Say hello to Meta's Movie Gen, the latest AI breakthrough that's about to make Runway, LumaLabs, and Kling AI look like relics of the past. With a massive 30 billion parameter transformer, this isn't just another text-to-video tool, it's a revolution that's poised to obliterate the competition. So, what makes Movie Gen such a game changer? Let's dive in and find out. Just a few years ago, we were all blown away by what tools like Runway could do. They made simple text-to-video generation seem like the pinnacle of AI innovation. Then LumaLabs arrived, letting creators build impressive 3D video content. And even recently, Kling AI made headlines with its ability to create long-form photorealistic videos up to 2 minutes long. But the moment Meta's Movie Gen entered the scene, it was like someone turned on the afterburners. It's not just the sheer quality, it's the fact that Movie Gen combines everything these other tools do, and then some. Meta's goal is clear: to take over the AI video game by setting a new industry standard. So, what is it that makes Meta's Movie Gen the absolute best? Let's break it down. 1. Sheer scale and power. Movie Gen operates on a 30 billion parameter foundation model, making it the largest and most complex video generation tool out there. To put this into context, Runway Gen-3 and LumaLabs rely on far smaller architectures, which limits their ability to handle complex scenes and long-form content. Meta's model is trained using over 1 billion images and 100 million video text pairs, which allows it to understand everything from basic movements to intricate scenes with detailed textures and shadows. 2. Multimodal capabilities. While Runway Gen-3 and LumaLabs focus mainly on visual content, Movie Gen covers text-to-video, video personalization, precise video editing, and high-quality audio generation. Imagine typing "a biker racing through the streets of Los Angeles" with thunder rumbling in the background, and instantly getting a clip that nails both the visual and the audio. Movie Gen handles it all, producing videos in 1080p HD at up to 16 frames per second FPS, complete with 48 kHz high-quality audio. 3. Precise editing and personalization. This is where Movie Gen really shines. You can give it instructions like add tinsel streamers to the lantern or change the background to a city park, and it will only adjust those parts of the video without messing up the rest. This kind of targeted editing is something Runway and LumaLabs simply can't match. And for those wanting to star in their own AI-generated videos, Movie Gen's personalization feature can create realistic videos featuring you, based on just a single reference image. Adding to these features, Movie Gen's spatial and temporal compression through its temporal autoencoder, TAE, is a massive advantage. While traditional models rely on complex frame-by-frame processing, Movie Gen can compress entire video sequences into a compact, latent space representation, making training and inference far more efficient. This gives it the ability to generate up to 16-second-long clips at 768 by 768 resolution effortlessly, something other models can't handle without compromising quality. How Meta's Movie Gen stacks up against the competition? Let's look at how Meta's Movie Gen stacks up against the current heavyweights, Runway Gen-3. Runway's Gen-3 model, which is built upon the foundation of Gen-2, with major enhancements in resolution, realism, and customization. It now supports 4K resolution and longer clips, allowing for up to 30-second sequences with improved camera movements and realistic lighting. The introduction of 3D space manipulation also lets users position objects within a virtual 3D environment for more dynamic scenes, making it great for cinematic content. However, Runway Gen-3 struggles with maintaining frame-to-frame consistency in scenes involving complex object interactions or multiple characters. For instance, scenes with overlapping elements or subtle environmental changes can result in visual glitches and jittering. This makes Gen-3 suitable for short, visually striking videos, but not for complex, story-driven content like those Meta's Movie Gen can produce. With Movie Gen's flow matching and temporal autoencoding, it ensures that complex interactions are rendered smoothly without the disruption seen in Runway's model. LumaLabs. LumaLabs' latest version, 3D Fusion, is a specialized tool for creating volumetric 3D content. It excels in generating high-fidelity 3D assets, realistic textures, and dynamic lighting simulations. The new ray tracing engine allows for accurate shadow casting and reflections, making it ideal for immersive experiences like VR and AR. Furthermore, Fusion's Scene Builder can integrate multiple 3D models into complex scenes, offering more creative control over virtual environments. But where LumaLabs' 3D Fusion falls short is in handling hybrid 2D 3D scenes. If a creator wants to blend 2D elements, like a flat animated character, with realistic 3D backgrounds, the tool struggles to seamlessly merge these formats. In contrast, Meta's Movie Gen is built to handle both 2D and 3D content, ensuring smooth transitions and consistent quality across formats. Additionally, Movie Gen's personalized video generation can render realistic human characters in 2D or 3D contexts, which LumaLabs cannot achieve with the same degree of quality and flexibility. Kling AI. Kling AI's latest Pro version focuses on long-form content, pushing the boundaries to support up to 5-minute sequences. a record length in AI video generation. It's designed for film quality production, boasting photorealistic rendering and cinematic motion tracking. Kling's neural motion engine allows for precise animation of complex scenes, such as crowd simulations and fluid dynamics. However, Kling AI Pro is resource-heavy and slower compared to Movie Gen. Rendering these long sequences can take several hours, making it impractical for rapid prototyping or quick iterations. Meta's Movie Gen, with its spatio-temporal compression and optimized architecture, can produce equally complex scenes in a fraction of the time, without sacrificing detail. Plus, Kling AI lacks the multimodal capabilities, text, image, and audio generation, that make Movie Gen a versatile powerhouse for diverse content types. Despite the advancements of Runway Gen-3, LumaLabs 3D Fusion, and Kling AI Pro, Meta's Movie Gen remains the most comprehensive tool in the AI video generation landscape. Its ability to handle high-quality 2D and 3D content, precise video editing, and realistic audio synthesis, all in one model, gives it a distinct advantage. While Runway struggles with consistency, LumaLabs with hybrid content, and Kling with efficiency, Movie Gen's streamlined approach to complex dynamic videos makes it the go-to choice for creators looking to push the boundaries of storytelling and cinematic production. To put it in numbers, Movie Gen uses over 73,000 tokens per video during training, allowing it to master both short and long sequences. It's trained to generate clips of varying aspect ratios, such as 1:1, 16:9, and even 9:16 for vertical formats like Instagram Reels, making it exceptionally versatile across different platforms. Moreover, its 30 billion parameter transformer has been fine-tuned using flow matching and temporal autoencoder techniques, which make the model highly efficient in both generating and editing videos. This is a huge leap compared to Runway, which struggles with maintaining video consistency beyond a few seconds. Technical Deep Dive. Meta's Movie Gen introduces several innovative techniques that set it apart from its competitors. Flow matching for smoother transitions. Unlike other models that often produce choppy or disjointed videos, Movie Gen employs flow matching, a method that predicts the velocity of each frame rather than just frame content. This ensures that transitions between frames are seamless, making even complex actions, like a dragon flying or a person running, look smooth and natural. Spatio-temporal compression. Traditional models like Kling AI often handle video sequences frame by frame, which can be cumbersome and resource-intensive. Movie Gen, however, compresses both spatial and temporal data, using its temporal autoencoder, TAE, allowing it to generate high-resolution videos without needing a large memory footprint. This compression strategy also enables Meta to train and deploy the model efficiently, scaling up the video quality to 1080p HD, temporal autoencoder, TAE. The TAE compresses input video frames into a compact latent space representation, making processing faster and less memory-intensive. By compressing each frame into latent codes, Movie Gen can maintain high-quality details, even for longer sequences that other models, like Runway and LumaLabs, struggle to render. Advanced text-to-audio generation. Not only does Movie Gen excel in visuals, but it also leads the industry in synchronized audio generation. Its Movie Gen audio model is a 13 billion parameter architecture that produces 48 kHz high-fidelity cinematic sound effects. This means that when you generate a video with thunder and lightning, you'll get sound effects that match the visual perfectly. Right down to the rumble and spatial acoustics. This combination of video and audio synthesis in a single package is what truly makes Movie Gen a complete solution. Other tools like PikaLabs and ElevenLabs have focused on audio-only models, but they lack the integrated functionality that Movie Gen brings to the table. Speculation and future outlook. So, where does this tech go from here? Meta is already looking to integrate these models into its social platforms, which would enable creators to produce high-quality reels or even AI-generated Instagram stories. Imagine creating a travel montage with background music and perfectly synced sound effects, all without needing to touch a video editor. With the release of Movie Gen Video Bench and Movie Gen Edit Bench, Meta is positioning itself as the industry benchmark for evaluating the quality of AI-generated videos. This kind of power puts serious pressure on competitors. For tools like Runway Gen-3 and LumaLabs, they'll need to invest heavily in research and development to catch up. Otherwise, they risk becoming niche tools, useful for specific applications, but unable to match Movie Gen's all-in-one capabilities. Let's be honest, who thought AI would get this good, this fast? I remember when AI-generated videos looked like they were filmed with a flip phone from 2005. Now we've got Movie Gen creating cinematic sequences that look like they were pulled straight from a Marvel movie. Imagine asking your computer to create a video of a glowing phoenix soaring through the Grand Canyon at dusk and getting something that looks better than what you had in mind. At this rate, it won't be long before we're using MovieGen to create entire movies. But what do you think? Is MovieGen the new gold standard for video generation, or will Runway, LumaLabs, and Kling AI find a way to bounce back? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And if you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for more deep dives into the world of AI.